Welcome back to another video. Today we got the 40 volts Makita hammer drill. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube grows the platform by subscribers and likes. I bought these tools with my own money, so nobody's paying me for this review or anything. So basically we got the 40 volt max full battery here. This is a 2.5 amp hour battery. It's a huge battery, XGT brushless. This one does have this come with the handle here, so you guys see. You got 2 speeds, and then you got it obviously got a hammer mode. You do have the options right here. So you got hammer, you got screw, so you can screw, or you have the drilling. So we'll try some drilling and we'll try some speeds, some screws. Obviously, if you turn on the screw, you don't have any clutch settings up here. Everything's there electronically. On the bottom, you have to press the button here. Sorry, you have to press the button here, and then once you press the button here, you can hold this. If I'm holding it correctly. Once you get a green light, you can change the settings. This is electronic. So you guys see here, look, 41 settings. So you get 41 settings in speed 1. You get 21 settings in speed 2. Alright, so we're in speed 1 here. We're going to do a screw. Alright, I'm going to take the handle off for this one because obviously it's not needed. So all you do is just twist it, it comes off. Model number GPH01. It says concrete 13/16. Alright, we're going to do clutch setting 1 like I said. We'll do one right here, see if it'll sync it. 1, 2, 3, go. So it stops in there, so we'll do number 2, see what happens. Still a little more. We'll try number 5, see what happens. Alright, so number 5 is flush. It's nice and clean and flush. That's number 5 setting. So if you're driving screws with this one, number 5 is your setting. We'll try another one, see if it works. Try another one just beside it, see if it works. 1, 2, 3, go. Yep. Just at flush. We're gonna go ahead and try it. And then we got what is this? 7/16 socket. So we'll go ahead and try this. Really smooth. We'll just try it right here. We're actually on number 5. We're on number 5. 1, 2, 3, go. Stopped. So we're gonna go ahead and change it to number. Should changes this. All right, we'll try number 8. See if it'll do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, so I would say number 9. We'll try number 9. Get this flush. Yeah, I say number 9 is pretty flush. So we'll go ahead and remove this. Hopefully we can. Yep. We'll do another one right here. Yep, it did stop. So right at flush. Maybe number 8. We'll take this off. A normal 3/8 bit. Just something normal. We're into drilling, so we'll try and speed 1. 1, 2, 3, go. Not too bad. We'll try on a speed 2. I will try it again right here. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh yeah, this thing's a beast. We're gonna put the handle on for the other tests that we're gonna be doing. So all you do is just slide it in here. I don't know if you guys could see it, but just slide it in there, and it just clamps on. Alright, this is half an inch. Alright, so speed 2, half an inch. This thing's a beast. Alright, we got a 1 inch bit. Speed bore, 1 inch. Alright, gonna do a hole right here. 1, 2, 3, go. Man, this is a beast. We'll try it on speed 1 so you guys will see how fast that is. 1, 2, 3, go. What do you guys think about this tool? I think it's a great tool. Makita did great with this new, modern clutch settings and everything, electronic. And then we got the 40 volt. I think this line they could have easily done it. You could easily. Would you buy this? Sell your 18 volt tools and buy your 40 volt tools? I wouldn't do that. I would think this is just about the same as, maybe a little bit more power. But I think your 18 volt tools have enough power to run a drill like this. I think what Makita is doing is that they're putting in a new line, a 40 volt line, so that they can put bigger tools, obviously 40 volts and 80 volts. That brings a new line in, a new bigger line. Maybe some bigger mowers, maybe some jackhammers, some chainsaws, bigger chainsaws and stuff, 80 volts. I think that's what they're doing. And obviously if you want to have one platform, they want to give you the option to have a drill and an impact driver with that platform. Anyways, let me know down in the comment section what tools would you like me to test this with. Would you like me to test this with Makita, DeWalt, 18 volts, 20 volts, the new Flex? Let me know down in the comment section. What do you guys want to see? This is Toolhead. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.